Yo, what's up, Swag Gang? You already know what time it is, man. It's your boy Keon Lar, aka KL Swag. Back here with a video, man. Look, man, we about to react to press the wrong button moments, bro. Let's watch this shit, man. What the fuck? What? What the hell, bro? Come on, man. Look at this, look at this. What the fuck? Oh shit. Alright, let's see something. Oh yeah, Aaron. Oh, this is not Aaron, it's Daniel Jones. Oh yeah. This dude is stupid, bro. I remember this when he fell, bro. Dude literally had a whole touchdown. It's crazy because when you run so fast, he was running so fast, he couldn't really, look, oh my God, I'm gonna fall, and he failed. Like, bro, he was running too fast, bro. He just had to chill and run, man. Like, damn. He already burnt the whole Eagles defense. Oh! Josh Allen, what are you doing? This dude just throw the ball up in the air, bro. Come on, dog. Josh Allen, come on. What the hell? Bro, I would pick that up too, but I'd take it to the 6 though. Back in my high school days, bro, I would literally take that to the 6, bro. Back in my high school days. Oh yeah. What? Get that. Take it for the 6. Take it for the 6. Oh, you fat bitch. Look at this fat ass, bro. Who the hell is that, bro? Dude was supposed to pick that up and take it for the 6, man. Why would you fall on it, man? Look at this shit, bro. All right, old school football. Damn. What the hell? He got fucking leveled. Damn, he got fucked up. Oh, my Patriots, baby. Damn. Oh, yeah, my Patriots. Yes, sir. See, that's what we fucking do, bro. That's literally what we do, bro. We'll pick it up and we'll take it, bro. We're not dumb like everybody else, bro. We'll pick it up and, bro, we'll get all the points that we got, bro. That we need to win a game, bro. What the hell? What? What the heck, bro? This dude's stupid, bro. This dude's stupid. Oh, shit. At least he broke the sack. Where are you throwing that, you dumb mother... Bro, this bitch is so stupid, bro. Why the hell would you throw it that way? Like, come... What? This dude threw it straight to the Steelers defender, bro. Ooh! I remember that. My Patriots when we won that game. Malcolm Butler with the pick. Look at that shit, bro. That's some history right there, bro. Malcolm Butler will always be remembered of that Super Bowl, bro. Oh my God, he flipped. Oh my God, damn. Bro, he almost ended his whole career after that. Oh shit. What the hell? Oh my God, it just take it in. Bro, Cardinals just stupid, bro. That was so dumb. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at that. Get it. Oh my God, I can't get it either. He scores it in for the touchdown. This shit is crazy, bro. I swear football is crazy, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. What? That was a great pick. That's my type of pick right there, bro. I'm telling you, bro, I used to make picks like that all the time, man. Especially in elementary, bro. You know, bro, I was such a stud in elementary, bro. I just hate that we never had any film, bro. You know, we never had any film. But elementary, bro, was crazy, bro. I used to pick everything off, man. High school, they had me a straight linebacker and you know, a little hybrid safety, so I couldn't really pick everything off. They had me blitzing, you know, majority of the time, bro, because I was so fast and I was big, so I could just bulldoze through anybody, bro. I was just that nigga on the football field, bro. What the fuck? Patrick, you're trash, bro. What are you doing, man? Bro, you could have just threw that out, bro. Bro, what? Oh my God. Bro, I would literally put Patrick Mahomes on his ass, bro. Like, dude is not that big. I would literally pick him up and slam his ass, man. RG3 is just straight ass, bro. He needs to retire, bro. RG3 is just straight booty cheeks, man. Oh, shit. What? What the? What? Take his ass to the ground, man. Oh, nice throw. Let's see if he's gonna get it. Oh, I remember that. DK was just stupid for that, bro. Oh, that's the rookie too. DK was just stupid, bro. DK is just straight stupid. Like I don't get. Like why would you showboat? Like that's just straight stupid, man. Now that's a touchback.
He's one of these guys who just never lets up.
Pop! He popped that thing right out, man. Swag game. Would y'all do that, bro? I don't think y'all would do that. That was just straight stupid. Like you just need to run it in and score the touchdown. Then you can showboat. Like I don't get that. Do you get that? Cause I don't get that. All right, let's see right here. All right, let's see right here. Ooh, shit. He tried to get that first. Okay. Oh my God! Come on, do something with that. Damn, they fucked him up. Okay. Oh my God, bro, that is my type of hit, but that was disgusting. Watch this. He didn't know. Damn. Bro, I know his family talked about him. Look at that, bro. Oh my God, bro. Bro, he went all through his shit, bro. He took his whole soul away. I'm surprised he didn't die from that. He took his whole soul away. Who was that, Brett Favre, bro? What kind of throw is that, man? Bro, I would literally make a better throw like that in my damn sleep, man.
Thinking about running one. He took the knee, though. He took the knee. He did. So now it's going to run out. He did not spike.
Oh!
Kneel down. May the clock continue to run. The half is over.
That's it.
Look at this. Oh my God, bro.
Well, the fact of the matter is he gave himself up.
I'm so dead, bro. Oh yeah. Oh! Great catch, and then look, he throws. He didn't even cross the line. What a dumbass, bro. He's like, oh my God, what did I do? So stupid, bro. Come on now. Gotta be smart.
And it's intercepted.
Look, this is my type of play right here. Play the ball, and pick it off. That's me right there, man. Except I take it for the 6. Oh my God, he kicked him in the shit. Watch this. Na. Kick, bitch. Boom. Bro, he had a whole karate kick, man. Hey, anyways, man, make sure you comment, subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys, and y'all stay swagged up.